Imagine stepping outside to a perfectly organized space where everything is labeled and easy to find. Today, we're diving into portable label printers that'll help streamline your home, office, or school supplies. Before we begin, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications for the latest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5 in our list is the LOPEVI D1 Bluetooth Label Maker. Is a versatile and efficient tool for all your labeling needs. This portable inkless thermal printer uses Bluetooth to connect to your smartphone, allowing you to print clear, high-quality labels without the need for ink or toner. With over 90 fonts and 500+ icons to choose from, the LOPEVI app gives you plenty of creative control to design your labels. It's compatible with a wide range of label sizes, from 3M to 50M, making it perfect for a variety of labeling tasks. The D1 is also designed to handle multiple types of label tapes, including continuous and fixed-length tapes. Ideal for home, office, and small business use, the LOPEVI D1 is a reliable and affordable choice for anyone looking to stay organized. Next up, the Brother P Touch Cube Plus Bluetooth Label Maker offers a for both personal and professional use. It's compact, lightweight, and offers wireless printing via Bluetooth, which allows you to design and print labels directly from your smartphone or tablet. This label maker is compatible with various Brother apps, including the P Touch Design and Print app, Brother ePrint and Label, and P Touch Editor, giving you access to a wide range of pre-designed templates and customization options. It supports labels up to 1 inch wide, with a variety of colors and materials to choose from, including glitter and matte tapes. The Brother P Touch Cube Plus is perfect for home office organization, crafting, and retail labeling, offering high-quality prints with ease. Number 3 in our list is the SUPVAN E10 Bluetooth Label Maker. Is a versatile and portable option perfect for all your organizational needs. Whether it's for home, school, or office use, this label maker can handle it all. With a sleek, compact design, it's easy to take with you anywhere, and the rechargeable battery lasts up to a month on a single charge. The app for the E10 offers a wide range of customizable options, including 40 fonts, 30 frames, and 450+ icons to help you create the perfect label. It supports both continuous and fixed-length label tapes, so you can create labels in any size. The built-in cutter ensures clean, precise cuts every time. What sets the SUPVAN E10 apart is its durability. The labels printed with this machine are waterproof, oil-proof, scratch-resistant, and heat-resistant, making it perfect for organizing in the kitchen or bathroom. Number 2 in our list is the Phomemo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker. Offers superior clarity and portability. This label maker weighs just 160 grams, making it another lightweight and compact option perfect for on-the-go use. It's ideal for a variety of tasks, whether you're organizing your home, office, or small business items. The D30 uses thermal printing, which means you won't need to worry about ink or toner, and it works perfectly with a range of colorful label tapes. The Phomemo app allows you to design labels with over 1,000 symbols, 60+ frames, and a variety of fonts. You can also add barcodes, QR codes, images, and even use a CR for text scanning. This label maker also supports continuous label tapes, giving you more flexibility with your labeling. With its long-lasting rechargeable battery and Bluetooth connectivity, the D30 makes it easy to print labels from your smartphone, whether you're at home or in the office. It's fast, efficient, and ready to tackle any labeling job. Last but not least, the Nelko P21 Bluetooth Label Maker is a compact powerhouse designed for ultimate portability and convenience. Weighing just 9.9 ounces, it's half the size and weight of traditional label makers, making it super easy to carry around in your bag or pocket. The device uses thermal printing technology, so no ink is needed, and it's equipped with a high-quality rechargeable battery that lasts for a long time. With Bluetooth connectivity, the P21 pairs seamlessly with your iOS or Android device, allowing you to design labels on the go via the Nelko. The app offers a variety of templates over 90 fonts, 10 languages, and 450 plus materials for label creation, so you can easily customize your labels to suit your needs. Whether you're organizing home items, office supplies, or school materials, this label will make the task quick and easy. Its printing quality is top-notch, thanks to 203 dpi thermal technology, producing clear, high-definition labels without the need for ink. Plus, with the ability to print QR codes, barcodes, images, and more, this machine offers versatility in its functionality. If you're looking for an easy, on-the-go solution for labeling, the Nelko P21 is a great pick. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the best tools and gadgets for your car. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.